Twitch gun. The most effective means of self-defense, but have several significant drawbacks. They are large and uncomfortable to carry. Both of these issues were addressed during the development of this state-of-the-art handgun. The result is a truly compact and portable American-made means of self-defense. The pistol is only 4 inches long and weighs 9 ounces. The weapon is no bigger than a smartphone, and it easily fits even in your jeans pocket. The main feature that makes this gun so compact is its folding design. However, despite this, it is a fully fledged weapon. It holds 5 rounds of 22 Magnum cartridges. Bola Wrap. Bola Wrap. Become a ninja, become Batman, capture your enemies, wrap and tie your enemies up with the Bola Wrap, as this is a remote gadget to restrain resisting or harm inflicting people from a distance without causing pain. It is used by police and enforcement agencies to detain mainly people who are not complying with commands. But this tool can also be used as a self-defense gadget in any person's everyday life, as it can immobilize any attacker from a safe distance by wrapping him up. This defense tool is weather resistant and rock, so you can use it any time of the year with ease. It is very light and operable with a discharge speed of 640 feet per second. It covers a distance of 10 to 25 feet, but the distance required around subject is best under 2 to 4 feet. It has laser aim for target accuracy and is best to shoot under chest level. Do not inflict any harm to the neck or head or people, so get your Bola Wrap now. Ridge Runner Key Folding Knife. This key folding knife fits right on your keychain and looks just like a real key. Hidden inside is a 2-inch blade constructed of 420 stainless steel. The black anodized aluminum handle gives you a secure grip and also makes this knife look like a real key. You get 3 of these keys in this pack. Defender Ring. Defender Ring. This unscrewable gadget O-ring is a backup surprise for anyone who tries to mess with you, as this ring has a pointy edge which can be used as a sharp punching object for self-defense. This tool hides in plain sight under the ring and can be used anytime on anyone whom you suspect is a threat to you. Just unscrew it fast enough before that guy you suspect reaches you and he's done for. This self-defense ring comes in various forms, but the end result of the pointy self-defense ring is the same, as this can penetrate skin and scare away your attacker. This modern self-defense ring is designed for an everyday jewelry ring and also for self-defense, as this dream could never hurt anyone fatally but can hurt enough to stop anyone from harassing or harming you. The world is changing. Don't live in fear. Protect yourself with this Defender Ring. Mantis X1. Something similar to the hidden blade from Assassin's Creed. The model was awesome. It could be used by left-handed people, had 3 wrist straps and used a plastic blade for safety, so it was perfect for cosplay. However, the artist known as Rouse Creations didn't stop there, and in 2021 he radically improved the design. You can see the results on your screen. Compared to the old version, this one is stronger and faster while retaining its advantages such as the precise adjustment of the cord and the ability to install a ring of the right size. Of course, the public had questions about concealed carry. Nevertheless, the master posted the files for 3D printing and told everyone how to make their own version. Knyphe. A smartphone out of your pockets is usually much easier than taking out a self-defense device, so combining the two together is a surprisingly effective solution. This is a smartphone case with a built-in knife in the lower part. The accessory allows you to carry the knife safely without taking too much space in your pockets or bag. When you need the knife, it's always at hand. When not, you don't have to worry about it because it won't get in the way and it won't get lost. This weapon is made with 440C stainless steel, so it perfectly combines durability with resistance and stain resistance as well. Black ink pen knife. At first glance you wouldn't know that this gadget can help you in a dangerous situation. That's because it is skillfully disguised as a pen and can even be used as one in addition to the ink. However, a thin 2.5-inch blade is hidden inside. It's easy to get access to it. You only need to pull the pen casing. The whole procedure takes literally a few seconds. As you can easily guess, this knife is an excellent tool. Not only when you need to protect yourself, it's also suitable for opening letters boxes, cutting paper, and other household tasks. Guard Dog Electra. Guard Dog Electra. With the small and compact 4.5 inches size, this defense weapon can be fitted onto any key ring for style and fashion. But don't be fooled, as this is a disguised lipstick stun gun flashlight which can scare any attackers. With its 300K stunt gun enclosing the body of a cosmetic lipstick, the Guard Dog Electra is a disguised concealed turn gun and a 100 lumen flashlight. Fire this up, and this gadget sounds like a rattling gun capable of immobilizing an attacker. Small and compact, you can keep it anywhere and deploy it in split seconds. You can use the 100 lumen flashlight to signal people to you or even blind the attacker's eyes. After blinding his eyes, let the stun gun do its job. This gadget has a rechargeable battery and is available in 3 colors, so no more scary nights walking home while you have the Guard Dog Electra.